Welcome to this tutorial on Get-Job, a PowerShell Cmdlet used for viewing job status. In this lesson, you'll learn how to monitor running and completed background jobs in PowerShell. Background jobs allow you to run commands asynchronously, meaning they execute in the background while you continue working in your PowerShell session. Understanding how to check their status is essential for managing these tasks effectively. Get-Job is a Cmdlet that retrieves information about background jobs running in the current session. When you start a background job in PowerShell, it runs independently of your main session. Get-Job allows you to check on these jobs at any time to see what's happening with them. It's important to note that Get-Job only shows jobs in your current PowerShell session, not jobs from other sessions or those started by other users. The basic syntax for Get-Job is simply typing Get-Job and pressing Enter. This command displays all jobs in the current session, regardless of their status. When you run this command, PowerShell returns a list showing each job's identifier, name, current state, and whether it has output data available. This gives you a quick overview of all background jobs you've created in your session. Get-Job returns several important properties for each job. The ID property is a unique job identifier, a number that PowerShell assigns automatically. The name property is the job name or label, which you can customize when creating the job. The state property shows the current execution status, telling you whether the job is running, completed, or encountered an error. Finally, the HasMoreData property is an output availability flag that indicates whether the job has produced results you haven't retrieved yet. Jobs can exist in several different states. Running means the job is currently executing and hasn't finished yet. Completed means the job finished successfully without any errors. Failed indicates the job encountered an error during execution and couldn't complete its task. Stopped means the job was manually terminated, either by you or by another process. Understanding these states helps you quickly identify which jobs need attention and which have finished successfully. You can filter jobs by their state using the state parameter. For example, Get-Job-State running shows only jobs that are currently executing. Get-Job-State completed displays only jobs that have finished successfully. Get-Job-State failed shows jobs that encountered errors. This filtering is useful when you have many jobs and want to focus on specific ones, such as checking which jobs failed or seeing what's still in progress. You can also filter jobs by their ID or name. Get-Job-ID5 retrieves the specific job with ID number 5. Get-Job-Name Backup Job finds the job named Backup Job. The ID parameter is useful when you know the exact job number, while the name parameter is helpful when you've given your jobs descriptive names. Using these filters makes it easy to check on specific jobs without viewing the entire job list. Let's review the key points. Get-Job retrieves background job information from your current PowerShell session. You can monitor jobs through the state property, which tells you whether they're running, completed, failed, or stopped. You can filter jobs by state, ID, or name to find specific jobs quickly. Finally, check the HasMoreData property to identify whether a job has output available for you to retrieve. These techniques give you complete control over monitoring your PowerShell background jobs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.